Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you read by the title, y'all know we're gonna be talking about wigs. Now, Luvme Hair sent me this wig. Thank you so much. I cannot wait to try this and put it on. We're gonna be putting on this glueless wig to see if it is what they claim it is to be. But before we get into it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We on the road to 1K, y'all. We are less than 100 away. And I'm so excited, but I do want to thank everyone who supported me, watched this video, anything of that nature. But like I said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, support your girl. But let's go ahead and get right into this video. Now, Luvme Hair is one of those viral brands that a lot of girls use, a lot of girls love, and I am actually one of those girlies. But you know, they are known for being able to put a wig on, take it off, throw it off, do whatever you gotta do with it, and it will still look flawless. So we're gonna see the wig they sent me today has the same type of benefits. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. So it come in this box, y'all. They bowed it up for me. The packaging is so pretty, y'all. And their colors are purple, if I'm not mistaken, so that's right up their alley. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so you got a protective sheet and you got the wig. So let's go ahead. It comes with a little manual or so, y'all, for anybody that is beginner friendly, because these wigs are beginner friendly. And for the girlies who don't really know how to apply a wig with glue, I am one of those girls. So stay with me here. I am one of those girls. I cannot put a wig on to save my life, but I love me a good glueless. But this is the wig, y'all. It also comes with a bonnet and a little drawstring in the front, which is probably what I should put on for the sake of this video, but I didn't know that was in there. And it also comes with a wig cap, and it looks like a beauty blender for the makeup. That's so cute and innovative. It also comes with like something you can put the wig in where you're traveling or stuff if you don't want to wear it, which is also great. Of course, you know, the brand gonna have everything you need in your box. I have what they sent me right here, and it's supposed to be a 24-inch glueless wig 7x6 closure HD. And it's supposed to be cut into layers, and it's also body wave. So we're just gonna get right into this video. Now, if you do plan on purchasing this wig, I do have a code. It will be linked down below in my description, as well as the percentage off of the wigs and everything, y'all. So let's go ahead and take this wig out to see. Now, it do comes with a little protector that I'm taking off, y'all, and this is the curls. Now, these actually look great, y'all. So I have this little protector, of course, to keep the wig together. But yeah, so it looks like it's gonna be a side part. So I'm gonna have to go in and like redo my little twist, y'all, because I did it down the middle. I thought it was a middle part, but it's a side. So let me go change that out, and then we'll be right back to put this baby on. All right, y'all. So wig cap is on. Let me slick these edges back because I sure did not do that. So I have the wig cap on. I look bald, but I have the wig cap on. We're gonna put some makeup on it so it can like blend in with my scalp or whatever. All right, we're gonna put some makeup on the lace, y'all. Gonna be taking my powder and then taking my foundation brush and just pat it into the, I'm just gonna pat it into the thing. I'm gonna be putting it right here. Make sure I get that part nice and good. All right, so we can go ahead and put this wig on just to see. It does come with the strap, if I didn't tell y'all that, and you can move the part. I'm just leaving it where it's at because I don't feel like having to relay it or anything, so I'm just gonna keep it as a side part, but it does come with an adjustable band for the back of your head. Okay, first of all, without styling, this is cute. This is very pretty. Oh my. Okay, let's take this off. Actually, let's take this off. I'm moving ahead of myself, y'all, because I'm so excited, but I actually forgot to put makeup on the lace. Stupid. So let me go ahead and do that right quick. Now let's go ahead and try to put the wig on again. this is eating. Yeah, this wig looks so good. Like I put some makeup on it, y'all, and it looks amazing. Like I'm pretty sure y'all can probably see the lace a little bit because it is glueless, but I do like it. Now I'm not gonna put any got-to-be or anything on it, y'all, because I feel like it don't need it. Like in person, it's there, but like it still looks good. Like I don't know. Yeah, now this part is a little bit highlighted, probably because the cap is back there. So we gonna play around with it. You might can see the lace up front, y'all. I too much really don't care about that because it is glueless, one, and it still kind of like blend in with the scalp, like unless you're really up on my head looking at me, and you shouldn't be doing it. So but yeah, it looks so good, y'all. It's definitely a like pull off pop on wig or so. Just make sure it like laying how you want it to lay, and then you really are good to go. And I'm also gonna put some makeup up here, y'all, because it's a little bit lighter than what I want it to be, because I am a dark skinned girly, so I don't want it to be too bright up there. Alright, y'all, so this is what it's looking like so far. I really don't like the highlighter part, y'all, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my makeup and then come back and see how it looks with makeup on the face. But so far, y'all, this is so pretty. It's so cute. Alright, everyone, so this is the look with the makeup on. So I actually took off the cap, y'all. I did take it off. I didn't think it was needed because the lace was already pre-bleached, which is great. So I just went in with some more concealer to make it look like my skin. But y'all, the hair is eating. Like I'm so excited, y'all. My birthday is in 2 weeks and this hair will be worn for sure, because there is no way, like, y'all, there is no way that this looks that good. Literally a pop and go wig. Like it literally like goes on, you ready to go. Like there is nothing else about it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, y'all, because I don't want to have it too long, because it was literally let's slap it on, let's go wig. Like I did my makeup, I ain't tweak anything, I didn't pluck anything, I didn't have to, because it came ready for me. And it fits my face so good. The layers look good. It looks so healthy, so juicy, very thick. I'm not mad. I am not mad at this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Like, too excited. But anyways, y'all, let me know in the comments what you all think about this hair. Like, does it look good? Is it giving scalp? It might not from that angle, but like, is it giving scalp? Like straight ahead, is it giving? Like it's coming from my head? Like, yeah. It looks, oh, I don't know what happened, y'all, but I moved my camera. But anyways, y'all, it looks so good. It's definitely giving scalp, especially in person. Like, yes ma'am. But once again, y'all, let me know in the comments what you all think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the video, because your girl birthday is coming up in 2 weeks, y'all, and I would like to have 1,000 subscribers on my birthday, and we are less than 100 away. So if you're new here, support your girl, subscribe to the channel, and like a video, and leave a comment down below. Once again, thank you all for watching this video. I hope you all love this hair. It literally like a pop on and go wig. You don't have to do any touch-ups or anything, just put a little bit of makeup on it. And once again, thank you Luvme Hair for sending me this wig to like do for y'all, because it looks so stinking good. But anyways, y'all, I will see y'all Thursday with a new video. Bye.